Imagine a machine that can think, talk, move, and understand its surroundings almost like a human. This is what scientists call AGI or Artificial General Intelligence. Right now, most AI around us, like chatbots, Alexa, or Google Assistant, are ANI, Artificial Narrow Intelligence. They can do only one thing well, but the future is all about AGI and ASI. Hello, I am Shivam Singh, a student of class 11, and I am working on a similar project which I have named as Sarthi AI. Our goal is to solve the problem that in today's world, working professionals, due to their busy schedule, often can't give time to their parents and their children, and home caretakers aren't always reliable and well educated to help your children in their studies and take care of your parents. Currently, I have developed a prototype Sarthi AI version 1. It's a small companion robot car that moves with voice commands and has a basic AI software capable of answering questions from different fields, from maths to science to philosophy, and even doing some basic daily conversations. So now you are seeing the 3D model of the Sarthi AI version 1. And this is the previous version which we designed out of thin wooden board, which made it super heavy even being thin wood. So we redesigned a lighter version using thick cardboard to make it sturdy and lightweight. The current version in the hardware includes an ESP32 CH340 chip microcontroller and an Arduino Uno R3 and a SW130L293D motor driver shield and lithium-ion battery pack consisting of four 3.7 18650 lithium cells. And for the display and speakers and mic, I am currently using my smartphone. The main AI software runs on our PC and is mirrored to the phone through Wi-Fi. Now let me give you the demonstration and we will ask it a few questions and show how it moves.
Hello, I'm Sarthi, your AI companion. What would you like to know?
Tell about yourself.
Hello, I am Sarthi, a custom-built AI assistant designed for voice interaction and task management. I am capable of searching the web using powerful engines like Wikipedia, solving complex math problems, and communicating in both English and Hindi. I am integrated with an 32 Spanish Pacetas Wi-Fi Bluetooth microcontroller, Arduino Uno R3 and SW130L293D motor driver shield, allowing me to translate your voice commands like move forward into physical actions wirelessly. My visual interface is a dynamic face rendered using Pgame. My primary purpose is to be a helpful, reliable, and respectful guide for your projects and queries. My developer and designer are Shivam Singh and Param.
अभी टाइम क्या हुआ है?
अभी टाइम 10:09 PM हुआ है.
Today's date.
Today's date is November 7th, 2025.
Explain sine wave function.
A sine wave, sinusoidal wave, or sinusoid symbol is a periodic wave whose waveform shape is the trigonometric sine function. In mechanics, as a linear motion over time, this is simple harmonic motion. As rotation, it corresponds to uniform circular motion.
Go forward.
Moving forward,
Go backward. Version 2 of Sarthi AI will use a SBC single board computer and a bigger humanoid design with head and hands. Unlike the current prototype, it will operate independently without a laptop and will also have computer vision to see and recognize people. Version 3 will even be bigger and improved AI and advanced sensor. It will be able to move on its own, explore the environment and learn from it. A proper start towards final AGI. Finally, version 4 is our ultimate goal. The final Sarthi AI, a fully autonomous humanoid companion capable of assisting, learning, and interacting just like a human. So stay tuned with us by subscribing to our channel CUMAX first. You can learn more about me, my skills, interest, and you can learn more about me, my skills, interest, and my portfolio on my website. I'll put the link in the description. Don't forget to check it out. And along with the Sarthi AI website link will also be there in the description. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated and let me know in the comments what can be improved or what features you would like to see. Feel free to advise. Sarthi AI is just alive.